Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra here, and today I'm going to show you how to unpair your JBL headsets or any earphone that you might have. Alright, so the first thing you want to do in terms of unpairing your devices, you might want to do this because of troubleshooting, or who knows, you may just want to reinstall stuff. So of course this is how you unpair. So first of all, you're going to swipe down from the upper right. Right here, you're gonna press and hold on the Bluetooth symbol. You'll be taken to this section here. What you want to do from here, guys, is go to details. That will give you much more control. Once you see here, guys, just simply tap right here where that gear icon is. And once you go to that gear icon, guys, you should see this screen here. And what you're gonna do from here is you're gonna look down here and you see the option that says unpair. So go ahead and hit unpair. And of course it says unpair JBL iTunes. All right, so it says it will be unpaired and you won't be able to connect to it for future use. So we're gonna hit unpair. Once you hit unpair, guys, it's gonna be gone from the list and it's now gone. Notice as well, the light has turned from blue to white. If you want to reconnect these, you'll have to go ahead and go back through the repairing process. All right, so that's how to unpair your JBLs, or generally how to unpair devices from your Samsung, such as the S26 Ultra. Hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.